In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello cards 5 minutes. Let's start by opening Trello and signing in, then choose any board you want to work in. A board is made up of lists, which are those vertical columns like to do, in progress, and done. Cards live inside those lists and represent the individual tasks you're tracking. At the bottom of any list, click the option to add a card. Type a clear, action-oriented title for your task, like Draft Project Outline, and press Enter. If you have a bunch of tasks to add, keep typing and pressing Enter to create multiple cards quickly. Keep titles short and scannable so your board stays easy to read. As your work moves forward, you can drag and drop cards between lists to reflect progress or reorder them within a list to show priority. This simple motion gives everyone a quick visual sense of what's happening without extra status meetings. Click a card to open its back, where you'll add the details that make the task truly useful. Start with the description. Here include context, goals, key links, and any criteria for success. The clearer your description, the fewer follow-up questions you'll get later. Assign members to the card so responsibilities are obvious. This adds accountability and helps teammates focus on what's theirs. Use labels to color code by priority, project, or task type. Labels make filtering your board a breeze when you only want to see, say, high-priority work. For larger tasks, add a checklist to break the work into small, trackable steps. Checking items off gives you momentum and makes progress visible. If timing matters, set a due date with a specific time. Trello can send reminders, and with a calendar power-up, you can visualize deadlines across the board. Attach files, images, or links directly to the card from your computer or connected services. Keeping assets on the card ensures the whole team works from the same source of truth. Use comments to communicate updates, clarify decisions, and leave quick notes. This keeps conversations tied to the work instead of scattered across chats and emails. When you're ready to level up, explore templates to standardize recurring workflows, power-ups to integrate tools like calendars and docs, automation to reduce repetitive work, and archiving to keep your board tidy without losing a record of completed tasks. That's it. With clear titles, helpful details, and smart organization, Trello cards give you a lightweight system to capture, track, and complete work efficiently. Now open your board and put these steps into practice.